there is some urgency, workers are not prepared, this is really going to cost us in terms of productivity. Because as a union, we have a responsibility in ensuring that workers are aligned to productivity. We know our mandate when it comes to the economy. Any disruption in the sector is likely to affect the economy. And that's why this is one of the unions that never goes on strike as compared to others, because we are trying to align ourselves with our obligation as citizenry will require us to be. And so we got disturbed when this matter is being brought to us, and it is not very clear as to what is happening. At the moment, we are having sensitization at KPC, which is being done by the employer. But you realize even the employer is unable to answer these questions. Yesterday, we were in Kisumu, and what transpired is basically confusion to our members than getting clarity as to what is happening. It's our plea that you need to help us in this. We are not saying we cannot privatize, but we are saying we need to agree and understand what it entails. Because as workers, one thing that we fear is redundancy. There is this fear that workers are going to be declared redundant, and nobody is explaining to us how safe are we.
So John Bundy has actually confirmed to us that yes, there will be no effect, but of course any change might have some disruption or some changes within the HR. But if they are not onboarded into the new company, the process of compensating.
This transaction, it's our intention that it should not lead to job losses. We expect probably, in fact, the company to do better and provide more job opportunities.